They said farming is for the poor. They said you need incubators, electric brooders, big houses, and fancy machines. But I began with none of that. No power, no brooder, no incubator. Just 20 tiny chicks, a mother hen, and faith in my hand. And from that humble start, there came a story of patience, survival, and success. A story that turned 20 chicks into $500. Can you imagine that? What kind of business can you start with such little capital but gain such amount of money within a very short period? If you have not watched how we started this channel or how we started our poultry project, go back to my videos. The first video on this channel will show you how we started.